Hello students, today we are going to learn how to convert affirmative or positive sentences into interrogative. For this, we must know helping verbs. Students, I hope you all are now familiar with helping verbs. But again, I am telling you about it. Helping verbs are called auxiliary verbs also, and they are used to make negative or interrogative sentences. And they are is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might. All these are called visible helping verbs because they are visible in the sentence. And do, does, did, all three are called hidden helping verbs because they are hidden in the sentences. Do is hidden in V1, does is hidden in V1 plus S or ES, and did is hidden in V2. The structure for making interrogative sentence is helping verb, then subject, after it main verb, then other words, and at last question mark. It means when we are going to change affirmative sentences into interrogative, the first we have to write down helping verb, after it subject, and after writing subject the main verb. After the main verb we have to write other words, and at last we have to put question mark. Let's take some examples. First one is Ram spent all the money. For making interrogative sentence we have to check the helping verb. In the sentence we are having spent. Spent is the second form of spend. If second form is there, it means did is hidden. So first we have to write down did. After writing did, the subject, that is Ram. After writing the subject, we have to write down the main verb. But we have to remember that we have to write down the first form. The first form of spent is spend, and after that the rest words of the sentence, and they are all the money. Then at last we have to put question mark. Now look at next one. She can solve this puzzle. Now check the helping verb, that is can, visible helping verb. So first we have to write down helping verb first, that is can. After it the subject she. After the subject the main verb, that is solve, and after it the rest words, this puzzle. Then at last we have to put question mark. Now look at next one. He has completed his work. We have to check the helping verb. Visible helping verb is there, has. So first we have to write down has. After it the subject he, then the main verb completed. After it the rest words his work, and at last question mark. Now look at next one. Ria goes to school on foot. We have to check the verb first, that is goes. Goes means V1 plus ES. If V1 plus S or ES is there, it means does is hidden. So first we have to write down does. After it the subject Ria, and after Ria the main verb. With does we have to write down the first form, that is go. After that rest words to school on foot, then question mark. Now next one, they listen to the teacher. We have to check the verb first, that is V1. If V1 is there, it means do is hidden. So first we have to write down do, then the subject, that is they. After it the main verb listen, then rest words to the teacher, then at last question mark. Students, I hope the concept is clear to you now. We will be meeting in the next video. Till then, take care. Keep on learning. Thank you.